2025 and smart glasses are evolving fast. These are proof of that. They're the Solos AirGo Vision, and they might just be the most feature-packed, stylish, and truly wearable pair yet. The AirGo Vision are so much more than just a good-looking pair of glasses. They're your personal assistant with ChatGPT built in, a camera to visually enhance that AI experience, real-time translation features, open-ear audio, and a lightweight modular design. These glasses seamlessly blend tech with everyday life, and that's why I've been wearing them so often lately. But how well do they perform in the real world? Are they worth the investment? Let's roll it back to an unboxing and then we will jump into the review. So when you get the AirGo Vision, it's gonna arrive in a nice little neat package. Inside there's a quick start guide, the glasses themselves, which are beautiful in that shiny crystal finish, a USB charging cable, a cleaning cloth, optional attachments, some documentation, and a trifold protective case, handy for keeping the glasses safe. Design-wise, the AirGo Vision are very sleek. I went with the Krypton 2 design in the shiny crystal color, and they look awesome. The clear lenses are blue light blocking by default. However, you can customize how you want your lenses to be when you purchase them, including adding your prescription if you need to. I was worried that these glasses wouldn't look good on my face, but to my surprise, they're comfortable and actually look great. I casually rock these now when I'm out and about. They blend in nicely and they don't scream the fact that you're wearing smart glasses. Rather than physical controls, the AirGo Vision uses a virtual button on the right arm to activate the personal assistant, control audio playback, adjust volume, take calls, and more. The gesture controls are intuitive, responsive, and help keep the design sleek. One of the unique features of Solo smart glasses is their SmartHinge modular design. Since all of the tech is in the arms, you can remove them and swap between different frames. To show you, I also have a pair of AirGo 3. These are another pair of smart glasses from Solos that are similar to the Vision, only they don't have the camera built in. Simply remove the arms and add them to the other frame. This is a huge benefit to these glasses, especially if there are scenarios where you require more privacy. The camera can easily be removed and swapped out to a pair of frames that doesn't have it. It's like having multiple pairs of glasses in one. I really do love the level of customization you get here. No matter what frames you use though, these smart glasses come with built-in speakers that use directional audio. If you've ever used a pair of open-ear earbuds before, you'll kind of get what these sound like. The sound is focused towards your ears, so it's loud, clear, and easy to understand. The downside to anything open ear, depending on your volume level, is that others around you will likely be able to hear your conversations or what you're listening to. Still, audio quality is solid, and the microphone has no trouble picking up my voice, even in loud environments. For those that are curious about battery life, you'll get about 10 hours of runtime out of these before it's time to charge up. Next, let's talk about the star of the show, that built-in camera. It's important to note that the built-in camera here does not shoot video. It's used primarily for quick hands-free photos and identifying people, places, and things with ChatGPT. Traveling is one of the two key areas where I found these glasses to shine. Let's say you're out and about at a retro game shop. You can use these glasses to identify what you're looking at, its value, the history on it, and so much more. It's also great for identifying signs, pointing you in the right direction, and if you're in another country, translating things in real time. More on that in a bit. Don't expect professional level photos out of the camera here. Its purpose is to enhance its AI abilities, and it works very well at that. The other key area where I found these glasses to shine is for cooking. You can use the camera to ask ChatGPT what you can make out of the ingredients in your fridge, recipe ideas, how you can make your dish better, and much more. It's super handy, especially if you're like me and you always run out of ideas of what to make. In addition to that, the AI assistant can also answer questions, provide real-time information, help with scheduling, and even summarize messages, all without pulling out your phone. As with everything ChatGPT, it is all about the prompt. The more details that you give, the better the results you're gonna get. It will also learn about your habits more and more over time to better personalize results for you. What can I do to improve this room in my house? What's the best way to cook rice? What's the best way to cook paella?
If using chicken or rabbit, add the pieces to the pan and brown them on all sides. This adds flavor. Remove the meat and set it aside.
Another awesome feature is Solos Translate. This is that real-time translation feature that I was talking about earlier. As you can see, in real time, it is translating everything that I'm saying from English to Spanish. Let's say you're traveling to another country and you don't speak the local language. These glasses can translate your conversations on the fly. You can see that it's literally doing its thing in real time. Thanks to the camera, you can also translate signs, menus, brochures, and anything else you may encounter without taking out your phone. This is a total game changer for travelers, business professionals, and really anyone who wants to break down language barriers. Imagine walking through a new country and instantly understanding conversations in real time. That's one of the things that I'm most excited about trying in my upcoming travels. And lastly, let's talk about the companion app. The Solos AirGo app is what brings these smart glasses to life. Beyond just adjusting settings and updating firmware, the app transforms the AirGo Vision into a workout companion. It tracks your activity in real time, offering insights into your steps, your movement, and even posture throughout the day. Technically, there's no need to wear these and a smartwatch at the same time. Additionally, in the app, you can also view your Solos chat history, access the translate features, and much more. Solos recently added an always-on update so you can take advantage of the app features without pulling out your phone. The convenience and the functionality that it adds make it an essential part of the AirGo experience. So final thoughts, are these Solos AirGo Vision smart glasses worth it? Honestly, yes. If you are a tech lover, someone who craves a more seamless way to connect with the world, or someone who just wants a stylish pair of glasses that can do more than just, be a regular old pair of glasses, the AirGo Vision deliver in a big way. The SmartHinge modular design makes them incredibly versatile, the built-in camera is great for identifying things, and the AI-powered tools like ChatGPT and Solos Translate make everyday interactions feel like you're living in the future. The AirGo app is also a handy tool for refining settings, tracking fitness goals, and much more. All around, I am very impressed with the Solos AirGo Vision and will definitely be rocking them as my default blue light glasses. They are a whole new way to experience the world around you, and that's one of the most exciting things about these smart glasses. Honestly, I kind of feel lost when I don't have them on now. Like, it's that same feeling when I forget to put on my Apple Watch. Like, when I don't have these with me, I kind of feel lost. So that's about all that I got, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Now, I want to know, what do you think of the AirGo Vision? Would you rock a pair of smart glasses like these? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, you know the drill. Be sure to hit that like and that subscribe button for much more coming your way soon. Until the next one, I will see you guys later. Peace!